Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a React.js project that I developed which actually trims and splits your video directly in the browser. It's a Canva clone video editor which directly runs in the browser. This is the actual demo. So this is here you will choose your video file, whatever video file that you will select here. Simply select your video file. After selecting the video file, click the next button, and now we have two options. Either we can trim the video or split the video. So here you can select, let me select the split option. After that, here you need to provide the input right here. So how many, so let me provide a duration here. I basically provide this time period, click on next, and now it will split your video in chunks of 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, it will basically create, you can see it has splitted this. If you have a long video, if you want to split this, it will be creating multiple video files. If you need the source code of this project, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. This is a fully fledged Canva clone video editor. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here, as you can see that. So the link is given. You can directly purchase it. Let me also show you package.json. We are also using the latest version of React here to build this application. We are also using FFMPEG WebAssembly library for actually doing the processing. And same, we also have the trimming option. You basically select, we select a big, a long video. I selected this. Now if I want to trim this video, here you need to provide the starting duration and the ending duration. So here let me just provide, I want to trim out the time period from 50 seconds to 57 seconds. So we provided this. After that we simply click next, and now the FFmpeg will do the processing for you, and now these 7 seconds have been, you can simply click the download button and it will download the output file here. So it's a very simple and a very effective single page application in React.js, which is actually a video editor, contains multiple faces as well to actually trim and split your videos. So the interface is quite simple. If you basically purchase it, you will be able to modify the source code or add additional features on top of it as well. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. You can see we have all the operations. So now it will basically doing the splitting job here. It will create multiple videos of 5 seconds. It will split your videos. You can see that. So this application is really useful if you want to create some short little highlights, want to split your long videos into short forms. So it will do this job for you perfectly. 33 videos have been generated, as you can see. So the link is given, guys, in the description. Definitely purchase it. It's coded in entirely inside React.js FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So it's a fully fledged project. The link is given. You can directly purchase it.